Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HD01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HD01 won't turn on, it may be due to a damaged cable. Over time, wear and tear can cause the cable to fray or break, preventing your vacuum from receiving power. If left unaddressed, this issue can lead to further damage to your device or even pose a safety hazard. To tackle this repair, you will need a replacement cable, a screwdriver set, electrical tape, and a pair of scissors. Start by ensuring your Dyson is unplugged. Carefully use a screwdriver to remove the screws on the back panel of the vacuum. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the panel is off, locate the damaged cable. It should be visibly frayed or broken. Gently pull it away from its connection point, being cautious not to disturb any surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, disconnect the damaged cable from the circuit board. Depending on your model, you might need to unscrew a connector or simply pull it out. Once the old cable is removed, take your replacement cable and connect it to the same point on the circuit board. Ensure it is secured tightly, and if necessary, use electrical tape to reinforce the connection. Before you put everything back together, double-check that no wires are pinched or in the way of the panel. Now, carefully reattach the back panel of the Dyson, aligning it properly before replacing the screws. Make sure each screw is tightened securely but avoid over-tightening as this can strip the screws or damage the casing. Once everything is back in place, plug in your Dyson and give it a test run. If it powers on without issue, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the cable. To prevent this problem from occurring again, try to avoid yanking the cable when unplugging it and store your Dyson in a way that doesn't put stress on the cable. Regularly inspect your vacuum's cable for any signs of wear and tear, and address any issues as soon as they arise. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.